What wanna give me opinionated peeps? So people I don't know if you come across the video where I go around on the internet about the farmer man right now where I look up on the whole of the selector them and them people there. Cause he must say, yo, basically the girl them will love off the selector them and them man there. Who no supposed to hungry right now because no selector can't get for play no music or make no money, no dance nah keep. So right here now, no supposed to feel a way if you know say, yo, uno never used to look on the farmer them who always in the farming and thing and I get the crops and all of that, and now a farmer man a go on with things, so we're not there, you understand? So the farmer man come out and them start for, say a few little things and get a few selectors upset, so people, me gonna take a listen right now and then we forward back. See, here what farmer man have to say.
Alright, say the girl will love selector and promoter. Girl killer, because when farmer man a look on you never want them. When the girl a soundbox, you never know when time you come. Girl kill you now. When a girl will love selector and promoter. When the farmer man them not look on about, me don't want a man to do farming. See it there now? Girl getting killed. I'm going to have the soundbox now, I'm going to have the soundbox. The girl them will love selector and promoter. You see me there? St. Mary. Farming me do. Me tell you all why when you see other farmer man a look on the girl, when you give them a chant and talk about when you want to select that promoter. Nothing not going to select that promoter now. And the country a lot down food I get scarce. See they sent me there. Banana I just deal with going to jelly farm now. And the cane farm and the put on the farm on the fork when you see Lexus. Anytime when you see that backyard you real rob. So me I sweat. When I bust this van door I put more one. Like girl will select a promoter come and my van make a box and that. Farmer man back at it again. Big up all the real farmer them from all about the place. Now we are running things right now. When you see the country a lot down. And food I get scarce. Big up the real farmer them, we back at it again. Now we are running things right now. The dance not keep. But food I sell. And food I grow. See it there? Real good banana. You know girl I love a finger this right now. We are running things. Big up the farmer them. Back at it again now. Our time now.
So him say what him have to say, yeah, and the selector them never too like it, me not tell no lie, you understand? And if you tell you the truth still, big man thing in my opinion, me not really feel like so the girl them feel no type of way neither, cause the girl them probably gonna just look on him and say, go on him too, you understand? That I know me, I say so maybe what the girl them a go say, you see? Now, the selector them not too like it as me say, and one selector in particular spoke out, so take a listen to what him have to say.
No look good enough. Watch the boy there with the banana them, we are talk about selector and promoter. I go to him at bring away blind girl them off in them car, People check out the boy there, look on him Instagram page and try find him out and say if him one of the wicked man them here. Cause the boy they no sound good all the thief all him granny banana them,
Now, big man thing, me not gonna say me like what the selector brother they say because it sound a bit kind of insensitive. You understand? Because remember the whole situation with the girl who, went missing the other day, who is visually impaired. You understand what I say? And, Jano, I mean, film like a statement a while ago, it was uncalled for. Him could have addressed the farmer brother in a different way. That's just my opinion still. You understand? What I want to say, people? I feel like that was a little bit insensitive, But watch ya, touch me down below still and make me know. Alright, now our next brother speak out upon this whole thing too. I'm wanting to take a listen to what him have to say right now. Alright?
Say yo, more adjust the video with the farmer brother. Yeah, more adjust that video there with the farmer brother there. You get me I say? Here we go. Yo, me not like some man move like them one. This the woman them. Our style ladies them our style. I don't like that style with them. And you see that farmer brother there? I get to see him have some personal issues. What's his style now? Tell us some farmer youth. You see sometimes, you see the woman them are gonna like what them like. You get me I say? And the woman them are gonna like what them like bad man. That's how me learn. Me and a girl listen straight. But I can't help myself. You understand? So the farmer yaga come on and I'm gonna start to say, yo, I'm sorry for the girl I'm love run down selector and promoter and one bag of fuckery. Me do promoting and me do farming too. Cause right about now, I'm there, so I'm look at chicken them me a raise and do my local thing, plant up my local. You get me I say, but it's just a mini thing still and more while they are road I promote music and them thing there too. You get me I say? Like I say, man and a girlis. You get me I say? But we can help ourselves out here. You understand? Yeah man, because when we go road we know how to do a thing. You get me I say? And yeah. But I'm tell you something. You ever hear the song, them enough of us supposed to family with the song, girls just wanna have fun. Woman no like no boring. Just like how them say, man, no man no want a boring girl. No woman no want a boring man, brother. You have to have style and a little swag and a little thing and rate it to your thing, brother. You understand? So when you go come on and talk about say, yeah, farmer time now, I'm not going to tell a lie. And I've been farmer time a long time. And I just stood there because people always want food for them. You understand? But probably you just get canned by a one catty with can you and probably take away your yam and your banana and carry go give one selector. You get me I say? So I want promoter or something. So it's like you carry some personal vengeance towards the woman them. You understand? Bad man, don't come on the thing and style the girls them, brother. Don't do it, brother. I don't like see man style woman, brother. It's a thing I hate, dog. Sometimes the boy them do it, want to give them some two before, brother. Don't this woman bad man. Never, brother. You get me I say, if you have a little banana and a little thing, give the girl them some banana and one. You see me? Especially like you link up all Jada Kingdom, because you don't know so she like her banana. You get me I say? Yeah, macadam and like her cucumber. Your time, do your thing. Where the fuck you go get up at about say, oh, you want to see a girl now? I come beg you and say if you know whatever. Get the fuck out of here. You understand? If I your time for shine, I your time. Because I'm tell you this. You see, a woman like what she like. Because you can be a farmer, you know, and a girl will still come link you. And she don't really rate you. But you should just want to look at your man the banana. Take care of your man your banana and carry go give the man what she rate. You understand? Probably I'll even give her one piece too. But if you're not on a style, on a swag, or not even say swag, but she can't even, she can't chill with you. She can't, around you and this whole of vibes. Brother, enough boy, I see them talk about them affair, say 6 figure girl or drive markets or whatever. Brother, I tell you this. Walk foot more while. And just snatch a boy girl and see it's a real. Enough, I tell you this, brother. Enough boy I see stays a boom and them a drive and a Charlie and Roseman stays up on a bicycle with a link them catty. Boom. Whispers it there. Retirement road it there. On a bicycle, walk foot, any style. You get me I say? And that's how we think there, brother. The girl them like when you have a little sense of humor can make them laugh on a bad day and them thing there. Some woman like them thing there bad man. So farmer youth, personal thing you take it as. Never really like it. You understand? Always learn to respect the woman them. You get me I say? Matter is situation. A woman will like what she like. You get me I say? If a woman don't like it, she just not like your bad man. You see me? A woman a particular out here, so get up and a run down. Say yo, selector or promoter or whatever. Give me I say? Who more while I just who then just like. Straight up. Yeah that. So nobody get the thing twisted and a style the woman them bad man. You get me I say? 2 before you forget. Carry some banana go give the woman them. That's if you do. Understand? Yeah man, your time. Yeah, that dancehall IG. Yeah, blast that my boss. You know the thing that people big up on us say, you don't know so they up on the quarantine, you don't know so they just say, yo, we are all our one vibes, cause me clean out a place so I can't clean no more people, man. I'm bored about my buck lad. You understand? Right about now, farmer boy get soon complete. I'm out.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Me agree with him. Yeah, me agree with him on the point there. Because, I mean, yeah, farming in, but farming in long time. You understand? The farmer, them, will make them money and have up them good money. Because at the end of the day, you know, woman love money. So anyway, the money there, the woman there. You understand? So, farmer, me don't know, probably probably are the kind of woman them where you did a pre, just never did a pre you. You understand what I say? But those style, every woman and say, yo, the girl, them and rated, they and all of them things there. Because at the end of the day, family, you understand, the woman them were really I got up on your run, I got up on your run. You know, and every woman like selector and every woman like producer. Yeah, you have some of them will love run down them kind of man there. You understand? But at the end of the day, there is somebody for everybody. Alright? Watch on the man people. Don't me done do this guy, I'm going to talk to me down in the comment section. Make me know how you think about this whole thing yeah. Your opinion matters. Me tell you that all the while. I'm out.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.